distracted na rin kasi tayo.
Mm-mm.
Hey, are we going to play or what?
Get on with it.
Watch it, bird boys. Watch it, man.
Kaya nga nung age nila, pag ganyan yung blasphemy, papatayin ka talaga agad eh. Ngayon, wala
Ayun,
na.
false prophets.
Another. No six on twos.
That's a loose rule.
Oh, they're playing right.
Pero siguro nga kung ngayon din dumating si Jesus, baka
Wala.
marami din, ano mo yun, mag-ano sa kanya. Baka nga di rin tayo maniwala, alam mo yun.
Kasi normal naman. Nung age, nung era nga naman, wala na niwala kay Jesus until nag-ano siya eh.
Kaya nga. Kakasama pa nila yun, ha?
Want to win your money back?
Seriously?
To be behind the bar. Another.
A woman should know her place.
I suppose you're going to show me?
What do we do when we are scared?
We say the words.
Sa Espiritu Santo ba, may mga ganyang classes kayo?
Meron yung ano,
Religion na sobrang lalim.
sa CLED, Christian Living Education.
Tinuturo yung mga ganyan, old and new.
Meron nga hindi ko makalimutan yung Imago Dei.
Yan.
Ano? In the image of God tayo.
Ano?
Imago Dei.
Ano ibig sabihin?
Image of God tayo.
Oh.
Matthew and Simon don't find Nephi. Days walk to Jerusalem.
Ano language yun?
Simon and Mary don't come
Aramaic?
back.
Latin.
Remaining servants.
Mm-mm.
Someone would still be left out.
Tapos yung
The
ano,
others do come back. We'll have nothing
mga
to answer.
yung mga
Why are you so troubled about the pillar?
tawag dun, yung kay Pope Francis mga ano niya.
It is literally from us.
Mm-mm.
These lentils. We don't even have half a bit of flour or yeast.
Eddie might find berries.
Can make people walk. Can heal lepers.
Ano pa ba?
Why can't they make food appear out of thin air?
Sa grade 12.
Ano ba bang sabi?
I was with John.
Si Pope Francis daw yung
Sometimes
last
we would go for days without food.
Dahil din sa ano, sa Marian ano.
The person he baptized would give us money
Magbigay ng prophecy si Prophet
for the day.
Micah.
It doesn't
Kung tama
sound
yung
much like
pagkakatanda
a
ko
plan.
Micah
We never
ni
thought about it.
na
John doesn't believe in
to
money.
Doesn't
a
believe.
certain number lang ng
Are you?
bago mag second coming. Tapos yung
He
number
says
na
it's a
yun si
man-made
Pope Francis.
construct designed to assign value and take ownership of things that belong to God.
Ganda nga ng timing kasi
Sounds like the guy needs an accountant.
nagbo-boom ngayon yung ano eh, parang
It's a Matthew train.
biglang, bigla lang nga lang ano, stagnant yung ano.
Ayan. Simbahan.
Hindi, yung buong ano, technology yung ano, society.
I once thought about
Nangangalay yung likod ko.
you never told me that.
Dapat may unang pagkakataon.
Ito na.